Hi friends, welcome to the channel. Today we're counting down 7 of the most dangerous plants you should never grow, and their safer, equally stunning alternatives. The last one will shock you. Let's start with one that's as deadly as it is deceiving. Belladonna, deadly nightshade. USDA hardiness, typically zones 6-9. At first glance, it looks enchanting. Shiny black berries, delicate purple blooms. You might even mistake it for something edible. But deadly nightshade, or belladonna, has a history soaked in poison. Ancient assassins and Roman empresses once used its toxins to silence enemies, and a single berry could be fatal for a child. The danger? It thrives in temperate gardens, looking innocent among your perennials. Its atropine and scopolamine compounds attack your nervous system, blurring vision, raising heart rate, and shutting down your body like a flicked switch. Safer alternative: grow black elderberry or purple beautyberry. Both offer dark, dramatic fruit without the deadly twist. But belladonna isn't the only plant with blood on its petals. White snakeroot, USDA hardiness, zones 3-8. This one doesn't need you to touch or even eat it directly. Just being near a cow that did could be enough. In the 1800s, settlers in the American Midwest started dying from something called milk sickness. One famous victim, Abraham Lincoln's mother. The culprit: white snakeroot, a harmless-looking wildflower that transfers its poison through milk and meat. Even today, livestock deaths occur where it grows unchecked. Its toxin, trematol, lingers, tasteless, invisible, and lethal. Safer alternative: try milkweed or asters. They attract pollinators instead of poisoning them. Castor Bean, USDA hardiness, perennial zones 9-11, annual elsewhere. It's exotic. It's huge, and its leaves are stunning. But the seeds inside hold one of the deadliest substances on Earth: ricin. Even a tiny amount, a single seed, can shut down the body's ability to make proteins, leading to fatal organ failure. And here's the twist: the plant's oil, castor oil, is widely used in cosmetics and medicine, perfectly safe after processing. Yet the raw plant remains a biochemical grenade. In 1978, a dissident in London was assassinated with a ricin pellet fired from an umbrella tip. The toxin came from this very plant. Safer alternative: go for redleaf canna lilies or ornamental okra. They give that same tropical drama without the deadly chemistry. But the next plant doesn't need you to eat it. Just brushing against it could scar you for life. Giant hogweed, USDA hardiness, zones 3-7. It looks majestic, towering over you with massive umbrella-like blooms. But if you touch it, you'll regret it. Its sap contains furanocoumarins, chemicals that make your skin hypersensitive to sunlight. One drop can cause burns, blisters, and permanent scarring. Some victims have even lost vision when the sap touched their eyes. And yet, some people still plant it for the exotic look. The irony? It's illegal to grow in many countries because of its danger. Safer alternative: choose Angelica gigas or Queen Anne's lace. Tall, airy, and completely safe to touch. Still, not all danger burns your skin. Some can stop your heart cold. USDA hardiness, zones 8-11. If there's one plant that truly hides evil behind beauty, it's oleander. With its fragrant pink blossoms and evergreen leaves, it's the darling of Mediterranean landscapes, and one of the most poisonous plants ever cultivated. Every part, leaf, flower, even the smoke from burning it, is toxic. Its cardiac glycosides disrupt your heart rhythm, the same way certain lethal injections do. Gardeners have been hospitalized from trimming it without gloves. Pets? Even a single leaf could kill a dog. So yeah, maybe skip the oleander hedge. Safer alternative: try hibiscus or bougainvillea. They're vibrant, hardy, and far less murderous. But next, we're going into the world of hallucination and madness. Jimson-Weed is annual in most zones, perennial 9 to 10. It's the kind of flower that belongs in a fairy tale or a nightmare. Trumpet-shaped blooms, intoxicating scent, and a history tied to witchcraft. But its beauty hides a toxic mix of hallucinogenic alkaloids that can send your mind spiraling into chaos. Historically, some tribes used it in rituals, but it's unpredictable. One seed might do nothing, another could stop breathing altogether, and it self-seeds easily, showing up in gardens uninvited like an unwanted guest from the underworld. Safer. Alternative. Try moonflower or morning glory. You'll still get those dreamy white blooms, without the hallucinations and hospital visits. And finally, the quietest killer of them all. The one most people never notice. Rosary Pea, USDA hardiness, zones 9 to 12. It looks innocent. Small red seeds with a perfect black dot. Often used in jewelry or rosaries. But inside lies Abrus, a toxin even more potent than ricin. It's so deadly that a single chewed seed could be fatal. The shell is harmless until it breaks. That's when it releases its poison. There have been deaths from people threading necklaces with them. A tiny prick in the skin was all it took. Safer alternative. Go for red coral beads or glass seed ornaments if you love the look. In the garden, scarlet runner beans offer the same red-black charm safely. So what did we learn? Nature doesn't always play nice. Some of the most breathtaking plants hide the darkest secrets, and they don't care who they take down with them. But beauty doesn't have to come with a body count. Choose smart, safe plants that bring life, not loss, to your garden. And remember, before you plant something because it looks rare, ask yourself, do I know what it can do? Because in gardening, ignorance isn't bliss. It's toxic. By the way, if you love growing beautiful, safe, and sustainable plants, check out the Heirloom seed collection linked below. These non-GMO varieties are gorgeous, pet-friendly, and perfect for eco-conscious gardeners. You'll support the channel while keeping your garden toxin-free. Which of these 7 shocked you the most? Comment below and let me know which one you'd unknowingly grown or almost did. And if you want more plant secrets, stories, and scandals, make sure to hit that subscribe button before something else in your garden decides to hit you back.